In this video, we will show you how to check the result of your Cart2Cart Demo migration to PrestaShop. First of all, keep in mind that Cart2Cart migrates only the store data, not the design. This is why it is best to check the demo results in the target store backend, since the front-end theme might need extra adjustments to display all of the migrated data properly. We recommend clearing the cache on your PrestaShop store before checking the migration results. For this, in the PrestaShop admin panel, go to Advanced Parameters, Performance, and press the Clear Cache button at the top right corner of the screen. To check the migrated data, go to the Migration Wizard and click Check the Results button. Open any of the migrated products in your PrestaShop frontend and compare it to the corresponding one in your source store. Check whether the product and its details like images, descriptions, price, etc. match the corresponding ones on your source store. It is best to do it both in the front end and back end of your target store. To have automated redirects created on your PrestaShop after the migration, install a paid 301, 302, 303 URL redirects SEO module. Choose the additional option, Create 301 redirects on your target store after migration in the Migration Wizard, and rerun your demo migration. To check the migrated customers, follow the same route as with products. Compare a customer's info on the target store to the corresponding one on the source store. Check whether the first and last name, shipping and billing addresses are correct, as well as other relevant customer details. To transfer your customers' passwords to PrestaShop, install a free Cart2Cart PrestaShop Passwords Migration plugin. To check the order history migration, pay attention to the transferred order's shipping info, tracking numbers, taxes, etc., and compare them to the source store orders. If you need to migrate your blogs and blog posts to PrestaShop, please install the paid PrestaBlog Professional Blog module and start your demo migration all over again. In case you've noticed any missing items or inaccuracies, don't hesitate to contact Cart2Cart support. We are here to assist you round the clock. Sometimes all it takes is to choose an additional migration option or adjust the settings to make your demo migration results overcome your expectations. Your dream store is a migration away with Cart2Cart.